Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys the deal that I got from Costco. This one's the Coast Zithion-X batteries. This is the 8-pack series. You have 4 of the AA 1.5 volt 2400 milliamp 3 watt Henry. And for the AAA lithium ion 1.5 volt 750 milliamp Henry with a 0.94 watt Henry. It says easy charging built-in USB Type-C, and also come with 2 other storage case. And they also come with this USB-C 4-split charging cable included. You have a USB Type-A adapter or Type-C. So the reason I bought the multiple pack, well, actually they limited up to 5 only per purchase. If you purchase more than 5, if you purchase a 6th one, then it'll be a regular price. Original retail price on this is $27.99. So I got this for $19.99. So I purchased the first pack. Then I'm going to show you that I already unboxed it. And I've been using it with the AA. So this is the 4 Type-C in 1. You get the 1 Type-C or 1 Type-A. So I've been putting this on this clock. It is pretty accurate. So the time is still accurate. So this is the AAA. So this one could store up to 5. You can put 1 more here. So it's very easy to plug in. I have the other set that uses USB Type USB micro USB, and that one is kind of hard to connect it. So just be careful with this lithium ion battery when you charge it. Try not to touch each other or whatever, because the old one that I have is almost caught on fire. So in case you missed it, I have the video on that as well. And then storage is pretty nice. I know it is expensive, but once you purchase a set, you could use it for, I don't know, many charging cycles. So this one you could separate easy, okay? And this one you could also interconnect them like a Lego set, and you could add more to it. So yeah, that's the deal that I got. So it's good that with the Costco, I'm gonna find my old receipt and then return the either one of the new set or the old set that I got. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any of the comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.